Hey YouTube, and welcome to my channel. It's your girl KiySamone, and we are back for another video. In today's video, I will be trying out something that is relatively new to me in terms of usage, and that is dry shampoo. I've never used it before, and I don't know too many girls with kinky curly hair who have used it before, especially on their straight hair. So I want to try it out and see how it works. If you want to know more about it, just keep on watching. Before we get started, go ahead and make sure you hit that subscribe button right down below so that you can become a part of the KiySamone family. We would love to have you over here. So go ahead and hit that right now. Also, if you love the video, go ahead and leave a comment, as well as hit that like button and share with all of your friends that you may think could benefit from knowing more about dry shampoo. If you want to see what my hair looked like when I first got it straightened, I'll leave that link down below to my Instagram so you can see that. And you can follow me on there and join the KiySamone family on Instagram. Again, thanks for watching. If you follow me on Instagram, you may know that this is my first time getting my hair straightened in over 2 years. Which is a really big deal to me because I don't get my hair straightened like ever. I'm really trying to make this last as long as possible because once I have to wash it with water and shampoo, it's over for however many years again until I decide to straighten it again. So I'm really hoping that this dry shampoo is giving me the results that I'm hoping for so that I can make this last a little longer, because it's only been a little over a week now and it's starting to get real shiny and oily, and it's not as like flowy as it was when I first got it done. So let's see what it does. When it came to choosing which dry shampoo to use, I really just did a quick Google search and I saw the ones that popped up first, and it was between Batiste and Dove, and I ended up going with Batiste because it was the #1 rated brand, and instead of trying to dabble around with all the other ones that had reviews, I just decided to go with the #1 because if it's #1, it's #1 for a reason. So hopefully it works. It leaves hair looking fresh and clean, or that's what it claims on their cap here. So hopefully it does what it says, because I'm gonna be really hurt if it doesn't, because I'm really loving my long straight hair, you know? It's real new to me, and I'm not ready to give it up yet. For usage, the steps on the back say that you're supposed to part your hair, spray it onto your roots, rub it in, and then brush it through. So that's just what I'm gonna do now. Put it into sections, clip parts up, spray it in, and then you'll see at the end, we'll see if it actually did what it's supposed to do. That's what I'm gonna do. I don't know how much to spray, but I'm gonna go for it, I guess. Wait, there it goes. So I'm definitely seeing a difference so far. Like even the feel of it, before when I was running my fingers through, before I even sprayed it on, it felt oily. And with this, it feels dry. Well, not like dry like in a bad way, but like dry like all the oil is gone, you know? So far, it's living up to its name. Look how it is now. Real street is clumping because it's oily, and this is how I knew it was time to wash it, because it's starting to get like this, and I hate when my hair looks like this if it's straight. Now look at it. You see how it's not clumped like it just was? Oh, this stuff really works. Hey. Now I wonder, on the bottle it says to just fully coat the roots and not the whole hair, and I ain't really listen. I'm not gonna lie to y'all, because I did the whole strands instead of just the roots, but I did put a focus on the roots. But I wonder why it says just the roots. I should Google that. Okay, yeah, I'm not mad at this at all. I actually think it worked. Besides this little white residue around the hairline, which I'm hoping goes away tomorrow. As you can tell, if you don't rub it in all the way, it does leave that white residue. It really does work. I'm not sure how it works. Don't ask me that. I didn't say how it was gonna work, but I was gonna tell you if it works. And I actually think it does. Like, it brought fullness, a little bit of volume back to my hair because it was really flat. Took away the extra shine and it's more flowy. So it definitely lived up to the whole fresh and clean name on the cap. So I definitely give it 2 thumbs up for that. I would definitely use this again. I think it would be something that would be good to use on your wigs. If you are a kinky natural, go ahead and try it. I was your test dummy. And yeah, pretty good product. Does not replace you having to actually shampoo and condition your hair. You still need to do that, but it is a quick fix if you need something to just help you last through the rest of the week. Again, this is the Batiste brand. It was only like $5. I got it from Target. Try it out. If you like this video, make sure you go ahead and subscribe right down below, leave a comment and hit that like button, and share it to all of your natural friends who are wondering about the same thing, how to get this straight hair to last a little longer, because we are all sharing the same struggle. Again, thanks so much for watching. I'll see you all next time.